Hey guys, you're most welcome to Real Science Part. Today we are going to look at PASS software, where we are going to run one sample t-test or wilcoxon signed rank test, which is a non-parametric alternative if the data is not normally distributed. One sample t-test is used to determine whether the mean of the sample is equal to a known standard value or mean. But before you select one sample t-test or wilcoxon signed rank test in PASS, you need to first analyze your data and carry out the normality test, which you do after highlighting all the data. Then click univariate, then select normality test. After selecting normality test, it's giving us sharp width, which is 0.9116. The p-value is 0.2236, which is above 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis and we say that the data is normally distributed. So it means we are going to choose the parametric test, not the non-parametric test. Now, how do we choose the parametric test? Simply go back to, if the data is already selected, go back to univariate, then select one sample t-test. Then here in this, we are supposed to feed in the sample or the standard weight, which we know. I'm assuming it is 35. After feeding 35, it is t-test. You click compute. After clicking compute, it's giving us that the given mean, the standard mean weight is 35 grams. And the sample mean, that is after computing for all these values here, is giving us 26.5, and the t-test are giving you negative 1.7138. Then the p-value, which is 0.11456, and they're telling us that means are known significantly different because our p-value is above 0.05. So 35 and 26.5, they are non-significantly varying. This is how we carry out one sample t-test in PASS software. Subscribe to Real Science file. If the data was not normally distributed, we would select the wilcoxon test by clicking there. Then here we would feed in the given median. The given median, if I feed in 35, then I click compute, it's giving me 35, that is the given median. Then the sample median is 23 according to this test, and they're giving us the p-values. Then it is 0.0706, and they're telling us that medians are not significantly different. Now you should understand, when data is not normally distributed, you are supposed to use median in PASS software. Then when it is normally distributed, here we used mean. Hope you can see here it is given mean, then here they're telling us given median. But PASS software is going to give you interpretation for every test you are going to carry out. It will help you to give you some meaning out of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.